An employee who has done fraudulent refunds in the amount of $2,655.
And he's aware of it.
Mm-hmm.
So you sat down to talk to him. All right. Come here, bud.
The 9th of January, 2025. Charlotte County, Florida. Dollar General, store at 5150 Duncan Road. Deputy Anderson, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, responds to a workplace fraud case. Assistant Manager KD is arrested for systematic receipt refund fraud totaling $2,655 over 2 months. Case number 255-01006127.
What's up? How are you? Yeah, it's a little chilly. Is there Heather here?
Yeah.
Are you called? So what's going on?
They're in the office.
Huh?
They're in my office. My boss in.
Oh,
Yes.
Taking care of it, huh?
Uh-huh.
So what happened?
He was taking receipts and scanning them and refunding them to his own card.
Him?
Mm-hmm.
What's his name?
Katie.
Is it he?
Mm-hmm.
And he works here.
Mm-hmm. He's my assistant manager.
Are you the manager?
I'm the store manager.
You're the boss, and but that's the corporate or something, or
My district manager's in the office.
district
So
manager.
my boss.
So he buys products.
Mm-mm. So other people buying products, if they don't want the receipt, he's calling them up, throwing them away, but then taking them and scanning them and refunding them, but putting it back on his debit card. So he's like,
How long has he been doing that?
I want to say about half a month now. 18, 19, 20 days now.
You're Heather, right?
Yes. Yeah, because I
And
don't.
what's his name?
KD. So just KD.
Oh, KD.
Yeah.
So what does the district supervisor plan on doing?
Press charges. Because it's like over $2,500.
Okay.
And she's got it. She's even got it on flash drives.
Right.
Hi.
Hi.
An employee who has done fraudulent refunds in the amount of $2,655.
And he's aware of it.
Mm-hmm. He's just written a statement. I have my LP partner on the live on video. I have a statement. I have all the documentation and video.
And admitted to it.
When I'm arrested.
Huh?
When I'm arrested.
So you guys press charges?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Hey, Jim. I have
Hello.
Sheriff's Department here. He's got another deputy on the way.
Okay. Hi, how you doing? Jim Kristen, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I'm the loss prevention manager for Dollar General. I live up here in Tampa. I cover 230 stores in the state, so.
God bless you.
All right?
Yeah.
I know you guys are busy. I know that, so I appreciate you guys coming out. So basically what we have some fraudulent refunds that KD has completed here. I've interviewed him. He's admitted to it. He wrote a statement.
I can honor that. Yep.
Okay, so Kathy has all that documentation for you as well.
Yeah, and I'll do a quick interview with them, and we'll go over some of the reasons and stuff like that.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
I appreciate you.
You got it. I appreciate you.
Okay.
I'm gonna I'll put my microphone on mute, and I'll sit tight in case you have any questions for me.
Okay. And Dollar General wishes to press charges.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Do you have your ID on you?
Am I gonna be arrested?
I'm gonna go through the motions. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I'll be off the air for a statement, Central. I got to do this. They make us do it. It's policy.
Okay.
And I don't feel like getting in trouble. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I just got to read you some stuff off of this card, and then we can talk. All right. So today's time and date is.
Go ahead. Subject -1 smart valid class D.
January 9th, 2025.
10-4.
This statement is in reference to case number 2501006-127. The location of this interview is the Dollar General located on Duncan Road and Cleveland Avenue. Do you know the numerics?
5150.
5150 Duncan Road. Thank you. I'm Deputy Anderson with the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. The person who's sitting here in front of me, this gentleman, is KD. KD, are you under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No.
Do you understand the meaning of perjury?
Yes.
Okay, perjury can be committed by telling lies, leaving out information under oath. It is a crime in the state of Florida.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I explained to you about perjury?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so prior to taking a sworn statement, I am going to place you under oath. All right? So please raise your right hand. KD, do you swear or affirm the statement you're about to give to be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir. I
You
swear.
can put your hand down. All right, and more nonsense here. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask any questions, and to have him with you during questions. If you cannot afford a lawyer, will be appointed before any question you wish. If you decide to answer questions, not a lawyer, you still have the right to stop answering anytime. You also have the right to stop answering anytime. Please talk to a lawyer. You understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Yes, sir. With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Told you how to read it.
It's a lot to read.
Okay. KD, you know why we're here.
Yes, sir.
I know why we're here. You already gave a statement, which I think is... That part of what happened is commendable. Okay?
I'm not gonna lie or...
No, well, you can't. Otherwise, you perjure yourself, and you catch it more.
And
more
I mean, there's
charge.
cameras. There's no...
Right. So, tell me what you did and tell me why. Like, what's the reasoning?
I refunded transactions and put them on my card, stuff that I didn't buy from other customers, and obviously they didn't return. And I did it because I was just struggling financially, and I made a dumb, stupid decision, and if I could take it back, I would.
Right. How long have you been working here?
6 months.
6 months. Do you like your job?
Not really.
That's okay to be honest. You
Not
know?
really, no.
All right. So, how did you come up with that idea? Because that's pretty sneaky.
I saw it on Reddit and decided to try it for myself.
So, run me through a scenario. Somebody comes up and they buy
like bleach or anything that's not food or alcohol.
Nothing food or alcohol. Okay. And then they
then
buy it. So they buy it with
it
cash or card or what?
Card, and you scan the receipt and refund it, and I put it back on my
What
card.
if they take that receipt with them? You can't do it.
You can't do it.
So you keep the receipt.
Yeah.
And then at a later date or the same day or?
Yeah, a later date usually. Yeah.
What do? You scan it and
Scan it.
like they're bringing those items back?
Yeah.
Gotcha. And then you put it on.
And put it on my card.
What kind of card do you put it on?
Bank account, Chime card, just a regular debit card.
May I see it?
Yes, sir.
Does this have? Is it this exact one?
Yes, sir.
Or do you use multiple?
That's the one that I used. I didn't use any other card.
Okay.
You use cash too.
Yes, there was cash too.
So you said you do this when they pay with a card.
Well, 99% of the time it was with a card. It was a couple times I did it with cash too.
Okay. So, how many times have you done this?
Too many times to keep count.
All right. Do you have a dollar amount?
$2,655.
$2,655.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From this, did you do it at any other stores?
No, sir.
Just here.
Just here.
All right. Do you have a time frame of the dates that you did it? Was it
Maybe started sometime in November.
November through what? January?
Yeah.
Did you do it this year?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And you wrote a
statement, yeah.
You wrote a statement? All right. This is your statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this my copy?
I have all your stuff in the envelope. You can have that copy too.
Okay. All right. Would you mind reading that to me?
Yes, sir. I, Katie, am writing this statement of my own free will. I refunded over $2,600 to my own card. If given the opportunity, I am willing to pay back the full amount of money that I cost the company. I was struggling financially and made the wrong decision to steal from the company. I will pay back the $2,600 that I lost the company if given the chance. With sincerest apologies, Katie.
Okay. And I commend you for that. Like I said, that action that you took is commendable. You know? I mean, you're taking responsibility for inappropriate actions, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the store manager called, we have the district manager, and right here's the LP boss of bosses. Okay, they do want to press charges.
Yes, sir.
All right. Have you ever been arrested for theft before?
No, sir.
Do you have any kind of criminal history?
No, sir.
Nothing?
No.
Okay. So, that being said, is there anything you want to add, change, or... Listen, you're getting fidgety. You've been fine this whole time. Have I been transparent with you?
Yes, sir.
Have I explained the whole process?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Relax. Breathe. All right? Is there anything you want to add, change, or delete from what you told me?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, this concludes your statement. It's 9:34 a.m., January 9th, 2025. Okay. So, you know the drill.
Can you get arrested?
Well, they want to press charges. Okay? So, you sat down and talked to me. All right? Come here, bud. Come here. Breathe. All right. I'm just going to put your hands here, and then I'm going
have
to...
to handcuff me?
I have to.
Can you put it in front of me? Does it have to be...
No.
It's policy, procedure that we have to do it this way.
You told him 10:15.
No, not yet.
My keys
Which
are in
one are
my
you
book
sure
bag.
for?
Yeah, I'm
It's
gonna-
have that subject 10:15.
I got it. Okay. Is there anything, KD?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything on you?
I have my phone and there's a vape in my pocket. That's it.
All right, we're pocket. I'm going to be searching you.
There's headphones and my phone in this pocket.
Okay. Anything in your pockets that are going to stick me,
No, sir.
poke me, cut me?
No, sir.
Any kind of narcotics, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay. And your vape is here?
No, that's my headphones. My vape's in the other
Okay.
pocket.
All right. I'm going to take all this with me, all right? Okay, you're good there. Face that way. 23. So you never been charged with theft before?
No, sir.
Okay. This is your vape. I will take that. What's this?
It's something I got from a customer like 6 months ago.
Did you pay for that?
No, he gave it to me.
Okay. Alright, just let me check the back pockets here. Is there anything else on you that you're aware of?
Nothing.
No? Okay. Yep. Okay, so there's going to be a felony charge.
Okay.
Because of the amount of money.
Yeah.
All right? 2,600 and change. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Can you just hold on to
Yeah.
I'm going to grab his belongings.
I have a book bag in here too.
Okay.
We'll grab it.
She's gonna want my keys if you want to pull them off.
Where's your book bag?
It's that white one right there.
Nothing in here?
Yeah, they're in the big pocket.
What?
I just don't carry them on my pants because I don't have a belt.
No, I'm saying any narcotics, weapons,
Oh no,
needles.
There's a knife on the keys though.
KD, I'm going to hold on to your chime card. These are his. These are,
Yeah.
that's going to be placed in the evidence. Okay.
I got a question. He's used another card.
I haven't used any other cards.
He said no other cards, just cash.
There's a card that he used. The numbers end in 9173.
If you want to check my wallet for that card, you can, but
Is
you're
it
not
somebody
finding
else's? Your girlfriend's?
No, her card does not end in that.
I'll take a look. Okay.
427 Central, show me around the 423.
Yep.
Good timing.
427, where are you coming from? I don't carry anybody wanting cards.
charge Florida Statute Section 817.034, organized scheme to defraud. This statute requires a systematic, ongoing course of conduct with intent to defraud one or more persons of property. At $2,655, the offense qualifies as a third-degree felony carrying a maximum of 5 years in state prison. Concurrent charge available, Florida Statute Section 812.014, grand theft third degree, covering property valued between $750 and $2,000. Miranda and custody threshold. Miranda versus Arizona, 384, U.S. 4, 361966. Rights must be administered before custodial law enforcement interrogation. KD's prior statement to loss prevention was not subject to Miranda. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 468, U.S. 4, 201984. Miranda attaches only when a suspect is in law enforcement custody. An employer-initiated internal investigation does not meet that threshold. The pre-arrest LP confession is independently admissible. Sworn statement procedure. Deputy Anderson administered a perjury warning under Florida Statute Section 92.525 before placing KD under oath. KD then waived Miranda rights and gave sworn on-camera testimony. Waiver validity governed by Colorado versus Connolly, 479 U.S. 1, 571986. Waiver must be voluntary, knowing, and intelligent. This converts KD's statement from a voluntary admission into sworn testimony with independent criminal weight. Probable cause and search authority. Probable cause established under Illinois versus Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Totality of circumstances, standard surveillance footage, transaction records, written confession, and corroborating LP testimony collectively exceed the probable cause threshold. Search incident to arrest authorized without warrant under Chimmel versus California, 395 U.S. 7521969. Seizure of the Chime debit card as an instrument of crime is consistent with Horton versus California, 496 U.S. 1281990. Sentencing and mitigation. Charged under Florida Statute Section 817.034. Court applied mitigating factors under Florida Statute Section 921.0026, no prior criminal record, voluntary cooperation, written confession, and full restitution commitment. Sentence, 18 months. Probation, 10 hours. Community service, $2,655. Restitution, no incarceration. Under Florida's Criminal Punishment Code, documented mitigation is a statutory obligation the court must weigh against a maximum. Key legal lessons. First, employer LP interviews conducted before law enforcement contact are not Miranda barred. They are admissible as pre-custody voluntary statements. Second, a sworn statement administered under Florida Statute 92.525 carries evidentiary weight independent of and additive to a written confession. Third, full cooperation, documented remorse, and restitution commitment are not merely sympathetic factors. They are statutory mitigating circumstances under Florida Statute 921.0026 that directly constrain sentencing discretion. Fourth, receipt scanning fraud is a documented replicable scheme. Its elements fully satisfy the systematic conduct requirement of Section 817.034